Hello children. So, how are you? I hope I have given you a small test in the last video and you have done it very well. Now please start learning chapter number 2 and then I will give you a small test on that also. So now we will continue with the chapter number 3. So take out everyone page number 26. Page number 26. Page number 26. Inserting header and footer. That is given in chapter number 3. Because we have already started with the chapter. Now the next topic, today's topic is inserting header and footer. Obviously from the this heading only you can just recognize that the header means the title and the footer means whatever you want to put it in the down thing. So sometimes you may need to include certain information such as title and the date of creation, etc. On every page of the document, such information can be specified in the header or the footer of the page. Now this is important. Please underline this from here. From here till here you have to underline that whenever we want to give the information like the title, that is called the header, and the footer means the date and all things which we want to clarify on the particular document, so that we will remember when and where the document we have made. Text entered in the header or footer will appear on the each page of the document. If you will put the header and the footer, that will be appeared on each and every page of the document. Header refers to the portion that appears just below the top margin of the page, while footer refers to the portion that appears just above the bottom of the margin line. Like if the thing is having a margin line, so just before that margin line, that footer will be there on the page. Let us learn some steps to insert the header. Now how to insert the header? Come on, page number 27. Click the insert tab on the ribbon. Click the header button to insert a header or the footer button to insert a footer in the document. Can you see children figure 3.4, the header and the footer, this window? When you will open this, what you will see is, when you will open the word, here we are talking about word only. So when you will open the word, file, after file, home, after home it is given insert. When you will open insert, the header will come. Insert, see here, I have put it zoom. The header option. In header option, these, when you will click on header, this window will pop up. This will come out and then you can see that here is the blank space. You have to enter the things which are given over here. The header or the footer will open and a design tab will appear on the right side of the ribbon. Now what is here? The header will and the footer, if whatever you have opened, that will open, and a design tab is also there on the right side of the ribbon. Here. Can you see it? Now, select the desired design. Now, there are many designs given. You have to select any one. The insertion point will be appear in the header and the footer. When you will insert that, the insertion point will be appear in the header and the footer. Just see here. The designs are there. Can you see? This design, you will click on this and you will get different things. And then you have to click on that and that insertion point will show you the header and the footer. How design you have chosen. The third step is type the designed information in the header and footer. Now what you want, that design should be typed here. Will appear on the, in the header and the footer. After the information has been typed, click close header and footer. Now what you have to do is click on the close header and footer option. Alternatively, the escape key can also be pressed. The escape key, I hope you have seen the keyboard, the corner button on the keyboard, escape key is there. If you forgot to if you forgot to close the forgot to click on close, then you can, alternate option is there that you can, escape key also can be pressed and you will be out of that particular window. The footer is just the opposite of the header. The footer is just the opposite of the header, but you can apply the same things on the footer as with the header. Now what is that? The footer is just the opposite of the header, but you can apply the same things on the footer as the header. Now how you have followed the steps from here, from 1 till here, till 4, you can same do it with the footer also. If you have done for header, then you can, same steps are done for the footer also. So this was a topic which we have completed today. I will be going slow because this is a practical thing. I can't explain you from the book, but whatever the windows are given, from there only I can explain you step by step. So that is the thing, I am going very slow with the topic. So today's topic is this only. If you have desktop or laptop at home, you can try with these steps. All the 4 steps are given in the book. The windows are also there. The figure 3.4 and 3.5 will help you how to do it. And just practice it. Thank you, children.